Hi guys, and welcome to another Bootstrap video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a question on one of our videos and it's somebody that's having trouble. They're not able to resize the logo in Bootstrap 4. Well, it's actually pretty easy. Let's get that sorted. So I'll bring up my Brackets text editor here. Brackets is a free program, and I'll put the link below this video if anybody needs a text editor. I'm going to create a new Bootstrap template and let's save it. And I'll save it as index.html. Okay, so I've saved it to a folder here. There's the index.html file I've just created and saved. I've got a logo in there that's pretty huge, way too big for the website. Normally I'd scale it down with a graphics program to be around the size I want, but this is going to be huge just so I can demonstrate how to resize it for you. If I double click on this, it'll bring up the site right here. And so we want to put a logo up here. So let's go back to our text editor. And we'll go down to the navbar brand right here. And where it says navbar, that's just a bit of text. If we go back here, that's where it says navbar up there. That's the title. If you want to put a text title in there, that's where you do it. So let's replace our text with an image. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to open and close some pointy brackets. Inside there, I'm going to write image, img, for the image. Where is it? Got to write source, src, equals, open and close some inverted commas. Inside there is where we want to put the location of our image. It's already found it for us because it's in the root folder where our index is. There it is right there, logo ping. So let's save this, Control S. And let's refresh, and I should have my huge oversized logo there. There we go. As you can see, it's just massive, way too big. Usually I'd sort of cut it down to at least, similar size as what I want, then style it. But just to demonstrate, this is huge here. So I'm going to write a little bit of inline CSS here. After the source there, logo ping, I'm going to write a bit of style, style, equals. Open and close some inverted commas there, and inside I'm going to give it a width, a max width. Let's call it sort of 200 pixels. Let's try that. Save our changes and see what we've got. As you can see, it's restyled it to 200 pixels. Now you can go a lot further if you want to. You can add padding top and bottom to give it more space, or do whatever you want to do. Say, let's give it 20 pixels top and bottom, and 20 pixels, well, 30 pixels left and right. That'll give it 30 pixels left and right space, and 20 top and bottom. Save that. As you can see, it's made it smaller and it's given it space top and bottom, left and right there. Okay, well, that's fine. If you've got an external style sheet, you can give it a class. So after the style there or before, it doesn't really matter. Give it a space and we'll say class equals whatever you want to call it, inverted commas, call it logo. You can target the logo class in your external style sheet and just give it the width of 200 and the padding or whatever it is you want it to do. So I'm going to take that padding away and we'll leave it how it was, and the class away. This will work just as well on mobile devices too. I'm using Google Chrome here. Let me just refresh that. There it is, back to how we had it. If I hit F12, Google Chrome Inspector Tools, there it is on an iPhone. And there it is on an iPad. And of course you can use media queries and adjusting however you need them. So I hope that's answered your question, and that is how to resize your logo. Very easy. So I hope you've enjoyed that today. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.